So how do you make money with your YouTube shorts? In this session you will learn how to make money with what we call Amazon Associate Program. So stick around because we also will be offering some of the examples, and this is a trick one because YouTube shorts are only 60 seconds long. So how do you actually convert money from YouTube shorts? So here we have the Amazon Associate Program. You can sign up for free. So you sign up and you recommend any product that is on Amazon, and then if someone clicks your link and purchases within 24 hours, you get from 4 to 10%, and you'll be paid after maybe 2 months because there are some returns that come back to Amazon. So what you wanna do is you wanna create long form content, like you may create a video about the best camera for YouTube. So when you create that video, then you create a short, a 60-second video of that long video. So let's say best camera for YouTube. So as you can see, these videos are 10 minutes long. So what you want to do is like you create like this from Think Media Sean Channel. It's about 54 minutes. So you create yours about 54 minutes, and then you upload it to YouTube and put affiliate links so that people, when they click, they will buy it. So what you want to do is, after creating this long video, you then create a 60-second video, like you're advertising this long form content video. It might take some clips from this video, and then you, when at the end of the video, you refer people to that video by putting in a end screen. And if people click that end screen, they watch this long form content video and they'll click your link, and then you will make money. If you want to make money online, if you want to make websites, subscribe to this channel. So I will be offering weekly videos. And if you have any questions on how to make money online, top websites that you want me to show you on this channel, just comment below.